Everyone, hope all of you are doing safe and in good health. Myself Devajit Das from Assam and I am a hobbyist currency collector. I got into this hobby after seeing my mother collecting and sorting commemorative coins as she used to get in circulation. Today, as a part of the talk series Numismatic Tales, I shall be delivering a talk on the subject My Favorite Error Coins. I have been collecting coins and currencies from my childhood days, and it is very recently that I have got interested in collecting and studying the error coins, a topic not very popular in numismatic studies. Here I will show you some of my favorite error coins and the story behind it. Also, I will be speaking about the types of error coins and how to identify them and why error coins are important for a coin collector while taking you through the visual delight of my selected error coins. Error coins are the product of various causes happen during the coin making process, like the die misalignment or foreign particle present in the surface of the blank or a broken die. Now, let me grab the camera and show you some of my error coins from my collection. Every coin is valuable in the eyes of a numismatist, but a mint error coin holds a special place among numismatics and collectors. The process of coin minting is a very precise process, so the numbers of error coins are very limited. Error coins are result of disorientation of the dies, accidents, cracking of the die, condition of the material, extra metal error, hard strike of the die or very soft strike of the die, slippage of the planchet, multiple strike, etc. Some errors are easy to find, but some are harder to get, like disorientation of the die or die rotation errors. You how to check for error coins. You have to observe it very closely for any kind of extra metal or some missing design. Just hold the coin like this with your thumb and index and flip it to see if the coin is in proper alignment or not. These are some examples of off-center strike. When a coin struck while the planchet is not in proper place and the strike is rather on the edge than middle, an off-center coin is produced. You can see that the design is not in proper position. This coin is struck in a wrong planchet. When wrong sized blanks are fed into the coin stumping machine with die of another denomination coin, as a result, the coin has struck with design intended for another denomination. It is also known as double denomination error. Like this coin, this 1 rupee coin actually struck on a 50 paisa flan. As you can see, some designs are missing. Of errors are called lamination error. This kind of error occurs due to the impurities in metal or internal stress on the metal, resulting peeling and splitting of the metal surface, discoloration of the coin or uneven surface. This is an example of die rotation or clock error. While minting a coin, both dice are kept in alignment to each other, facing exactly each other so that the both observe and the reverse of the coin are in a straight line. But here you can see, if you flip this coin like this, then you can see that this coin is in not proper alignment. It is called a 3 o'clock error. The axis rotates 90 degree. Another coin, if you hold this coin like this, then you can see it's not aligned properly. It is 1 o'clock error. This kind of error coin are called strike through. It happens when a foreign object such as a string, wire, dirt or some other thing fall on the blank and the coin struck, and the impression of the object is visible on the coin. This coin, it has some extra metal. Let me zoom it for you. Here you can see some extra metal in this coin. This coin is the result of a very low pressure strike. You can see that the 2 is almost missing. Errors are called clip-planchet error. These are curved clipped and these are straight clipped. While making the blanks, the metal strip is misfed in the punches, sometimes overlaps the metal of the leading strip and produce a clipped edge. The clip may be straight or a curved clip. These two are straight clips and these two are curved clips. This type of error coins are called dry bouffage error. There are some other errors which are only found in bimetallic coins. Inner ring off center, it is called. As you can see, the inner ring is shifted, not in the middle, it's shifted. As you can see, I am holding these two coins side by side to show you a very rare and unique error. The first coin is a normal coin. The outer ring and the inner planchet is of different metal. That's why these coins are called bimetallic coins. The metal of the outer ring is made of aluminium bronze and inner planchet is of copper nickel. But in this coin, the outer ring and inner circle is of same metal. This type of error is called monometal errors. And this type of errors only happens in bimetallic coins. These are very rare and collectible. In this coin, as you can see, there is a part of metal is broken off. This type of errors are called broken planchet error. Apart from this, there are several other varieties of error coins are available but yet to be collected by me, like fundamental die error, predate error, brokerage error, and multiple strike error. All these error coins are of my collection and are very close to my heart. But this coin holds a special place in my heart. This coin was gifted to me by my wife. As you can see, this coin, the inner part of this coin is completely missing. Only the outer ring remains, and it's not man-made. There is no sign of hammer or plier on this coin. It is really very hard for any collector to get this kind of error. To thank avisnaemuseum.com for giving me this opportunity to talk to you all about my collection and to talk about error coins. Hope you all enjoyed the view of my collection. Thank you all and stay healthy.